Hey, this is Joe and Chico with Elite Edge. I just want to show you real quick what I think is the best way to get out of the Muay Thai clinch. A lot of people struggle with this. There's a lot of different defenses. They're kind of technical. They're kind of hard to do. You're going to snake your arm through here. You're going to bend back and turn. One of my old coaches, Muay Smith, only got to ever be UFC heavyweight champion and K1 heavyweight champion. He showed me this, and it's never not worked for me. So I'll show you guys real quick, and it's really simple. It really doesn't take any skill at all. So let's say you're right here in the clinch. Rather than trying to fight all this stuff, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take your palm, put it right up under his chin, and push him backwards. They can't hold on if you do that. Okay? It's the simplest thing in the world. That's all you got to do. Because if I get him here, I'm trying to fight all this, I'm getting kneed while all this is going on. I just got to come right up. Takes away all the power. And then from here, we can do whatever we're going to do. It's really simple. Just push their chin up, and just walk them backwards. It's that easy. Next time somebody puts you in the Muay Thai clinch, give it a shot.